What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Back with One Life Cars. Join me this morning with the Vauxhall Corsa C for a quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the wing mirrors. Not many people know how to replace them. It's actually dead easy and they get smashed off all the time by idiots, or if you clip something yourself. It happens a lot. It's a good thing to know how to change them. You know, dead easy jobs to do, only need one tool. So if you do smash one off, rather than take it to a garage, fly down to your local scrapyard, pick yourself up a mirror and fit it yourself. It's dead easy. Anyway, another quick thing before we start today's video. Guys, if you've got Instagram, go over and check mine out and give us a follow. I'm going to put a link to it in the description below. There's always a link on my homepage of the channel, and I'll put a pop-up to you somewhere on this video. So go and check out my Instagram. Anyway, let's crack on with today's video. Right guys, Vauxhall have made this one dead easy for us. The first thing you got to do is open the door of the mirror you're working on. I'm going to get comfortable, sit down on the driver's seat. I'm going to do the driver's mirror today to show you. I'm going to show you this with a screwdriver and without. So this plastic panel here needs to come off, and as you can see, it's a plastic panel that goes down here and across there. That's where it ends. And it is as easy as this. I'm not expecting everyone to do it this way, but use your three middle fingers, get them there, pull against the glass, and it will pop off that easy. If you don't want to do that and ram your fingers in, or if you know, again, you can do it off the glass even. It's not, you're not going to be putting much pressure on it. If it is a bit tight, what I'd recommend is, rather than sticking it in there and then putting a dent on this bit, which you'll always see every time you get in the car, is go round either under here, as tight in that way as you can, somewhere you won't see if you do dent the plastic, or if you can sort of come in, get the back of it there, but it will just pop off with your fingers 90% of the time. Now, this is why Vauxhall have made this easy for us. Normally this mechanism that adjusts your mirror is always in the way. You have to detach it first, but on these they made the all big enough in the trim for a start, so you can just let that dangle. Remember, there's a wire in there for that tweeter, so careful not to rip that off. You can just leave it dangling, and also be careful not to shut the door when you break the plastic when it's out. And then the hole through the frame is also big enough to fit all this, so this can just stay on the mirror and it can all come as one unit. Dead useful. Now you'll see we've got two obvious screws which are Torx bits, and I've got a Torx bit out ready to try. I'm not sure if it's the right size. We've got a T25. I could see that anyway, I'm just trying to zoom it in fuse, which is too big obviously. So get our little box of bits out. It's looking like a T20. Right, yeah, so a T15. I'm going to get them undone. They won't be very tight. Like so. I've just got my little screwdriver handle, yeah, not tight at all. And also, don't forget, because it's easy to miss, I nearly did then, there's another one down here. It's a little sneaky one. That's sort of in the edge of the door where it closes, so don't forget that. So altogether, if I come back, you can see you've got your 3 bolts there. Get those out, and on the last one, what I do is I take that awkward one to get to out first, leave, say, that one until last up top. So you can sort of do that and hold the mirror, because it will just fall off otherwise. So we'll get these undone and we'll get it out, have a quick look, and then we'll replace it. So all 3 screws are out. And a bit of persuasion. I mean, I said it'd fall out, but it actually probably won't. As you can see here, we've got our mirror. You might want to just give this area a clean up. Bit of moss and crap around where it seals. Give it a good clean. So, and this rubber a good clean. I don't know if you have to. You might have to replace this rubber onto your new mirror. I'm not sure. It seems to be fixed down, so I'm not sure if it will come off. Oh, it does come off. Yeah, it'll peel off all right. So just double check your new mirror. Make sure you don't put your new one on without that, otherwise it'll just let a load of water in the back of it and make a mess, and you'll get loads of moss around the outside over time. So give that a clean up, and as for putting it back on, it's just a case of sort of lining it up, send your little adjuster straight through that hole, and the pins will all line up with the holes, and it'll pushing nicely like that, staying on its own even. You can see here. And then just get a screw in the top, get all three in, line it up, give them a nip up. You don't have to do them tight at all in this because you'll break the plastic. Literally, I mean, it has got little metal inserts that it screws into, but again, you don't need to do it tight. Give them a good nip up with the ratchet. Anyway, I'm going to give this a clean and get that back mirror back on, and we'll end the video. All screwed up, back how we want it, nice and tight on. Next thing you need to do is just grab this plastic panel, slide it over the adjuster hole. One thing to mention, you might have electric adjusters. I'm not sure if any of these Corsas did come with them. They probably did on the better spec models. So if you have got electrical adjusters, all you need to look out for here is a wire. There's probably going to be a clip connected to the frame. Disconnect a clip with a wire going in there somewhere, or it might even be on the back of this or something, but there'll be a wire somewhere you need to disconnect before you can pull the mirror off if you have electric mirror adjusters. But anyway, get this back on. These just simply pop back in place like so. Once you've lined the holes up, just give it a smack. Sometimes you have to smack it not really hard but firm, you know. Just clip back in, and that's that back on. Mirror all back together, all secure again. If you need to adjust it, you can. And that, guys, is how to remove and replace the wing mirror on the Vauxhall Corsa C. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. Join One Life Cars today and learn a bit on how to work on your own car maybe, or just watch the videos and enjoy them. Like I said earlier, don't be shy, hit that, go on Instagram and give us a follow. There'll be a link on this video. I'll put another pop-up now. There'll be one in the description. There's always one on the homepage. Let's get them followers up. But anyway, thanks for watching, and until tomorrow or even later on today, peace.